Hey, what's good? This one just came in today. I've been having my eyes on these for a while, but I was just waiting for the website to get a little promo code or something before I can get these. I want to open them up and tell you a little bit about them. So let's get right to it. I went and took advantage of the promo code they had because if you spend, I think, more than $75, you get free shipping. If not, then you got to pay, I think, $10 shipping. So, actually, I think I did. No, you know what? I did spend $10 shipping on this. I just remembered I did because I think with the total and all, it was like $107. I'm confusing it with another website that I bought some stuff from. I'm still waiting on them. No, I did pay shipping on these. So, matter of fact, let me show you. Well, there's no price tag on the invoice paper here. I ended up paying about. Let me grab my phone real quick. And let me just move these right here in the middle. I'll show them to you in a bit. I'll start with the bottom one because my favorite one is the one on top, so we're gonna do that one for last. But let me tell you how much I paid for these. Alright, so with the shipping, I divided the shipping by half, did the taxes. For the top ones, I paid $56 flat, and for the bottom one was $51.40. So without further ado, let's open these up. First thing I want to show you is you already know the tag and the name. So these are the true Cobra mids. They've been had the lows for a while, but me, I'm not a low top type of guy. I love mid tops and high tops. I really can't do low tops. I probably would one day, but there's nothing I like right now. So then you got the true tissue paper off the bat, and man, look at that. They got a little dust on them. They must have left them open or something. But last time I bought some Cobra or some Troop shoes. You know what, I'm lying there. I was about to say they was heavy. Them were BKs. I just remembered. Yeah, so these definitely got to get wiped because look at all that. They pretty dusty. So they probably been sitting for a while. I don't even know how old these are. But what y'all think of these Troops? I do got to wipe them down because look, you see all that on top of the toe box. You got like some stuff that's been sitting there for a while. But it's all good. They ain't worn or none. They still brand new. Just a little dusty, like I said. So these are all synthetic leather. Ain't no way this is real leather. This is all synthetic. What y'all think though? Like all black, or probably black jeans and a white tee, a white and black tee. What y'all think? So these were the least of my favorite of the two. But the only reason why I copped these is so I wouldn't have to get them later on and pay the $10 all over again for the shipping. So that's why I got these. But I mean, I like them. I think they're gonna be live. I confused them a bit for some BKs I bought a while back, and the BKs were super heavy. So these ain't heavy. These feel like got regular weight to them. You know what I mean? This here look like it's glued on there, so that could be a problem. If you scuff it or something, this might come off. I hope that doesn't happen in the future. I rarely wear my shoes. I'm heavy on rotation, so I'll probably wear the same shoe like once a month or something like that. Probably a little longer than that. So that's these. Check the other one. So let me tell you a little bit about it. Yeah, these pretty roughed up. Bit dirty, I mean. So man, it's synthetic all the way around. The whole thing is all synthetic leather. All this white here is color printed. Velcro. Feel pretty good. Not too bad. Again, all this color printed. The Troop, all this is like plastic. This is like plastic. Where it say Cobra, that's color printed. You got the Troop right there on the heel, like that. But synthetic all the way around. It's not an ugly shoe at all. This reminds me of like the Bo Jacksons, where you got the strap right at the bottom, but it's got like double strap. Again, color printed right there in the back. That's color printed. What else can I show you from these kicks? It's got like a bit of an elephant print right there, and on the other side as well, and a bit right here. They got some texture to it, but I'll be right back. My fault. I just got the package in the mail right now again. Look like I'm finna make another video probably. But yeah, let's take a look at these again. So you got this on the tongue tag, the reverse side. You got this sort of like a glittery gold type of stitching on there with the Troop logo. I think that's pretty cool. Let's take a look inside, see what the size tag look like. Man, come on. Probably gonna be a little hard to show you guys. But is this somewhat like the Fila? Because I believe Fila bought out Troop, or possibly the other way around. But I know Fila and Troop, basically the same company now. If you look at the shoes, like where I showed you the box tag, this is identical to the Fila tags. Same exact thing, how they be using these. But that's that for the Troop Cobras. Let's take a look at the ones I've been wanting to see. So I'll put these aside real quick. And these were the main reason for the purchase. So these here the Deltas, you know. The white and blue version. I think these just came out, where these just got retro not long ago, sometime this year. But same thing with the tissue paper. And I gonna lie, these look even better in person than what they did on the pictures when you making your purchase. Man, these are super fire. I'll probably wear these tomorrow. I'm not sure. Look, you got Troop right in the front. If it'll pick that up, see that? Man, these are super fire. Are they stitching? I don't know if this is real stitching or not. I was pretty disappointed when I learned that the new Reebok Pump Omni Zones, this is all like part of the sole. So this is not real stitching. I want to say that it's not real stitching on these either. I don't know. But anyway, I wasn't upset about it on the Reebok, so I shouldn't be upset on these Deltas. But man, look how fresh these look. I'm gonna definitely have to give y'all on feet on these. These are super live. I like these. Those black Cobras, I mean, they're alright. But man, these are it right there. What y'all think? Got Troop in the back, Delta above it. They got the little Troop logos right here. All this is all synthetic leather though. But like this here's some kind of plastic right here. The blue and the gray right here where it say Troop and Delta. And man, this is like the thing that stand out on the shoe is this here right there, the Troop on the side. That's super killer. I like that. These are definitely gonna be heavy in rotation. Look at that. Here go the size tag. And you got that crown on the tongue. What y'all think, man? Like, honestly, these are super dope. I might pick up the red ones. The only thing that I don't like about the red one is mostly red and black. Would have been nice if it was just like just replace the blue with the red. So it would have been mostly like white and red instead of red and black. But they still fire. I still like them. These don't weigh a lot, so that's pretty good. Look at the bottom sole, the outsole. They say World of Troop down here, and they say Advanced over there. These are pretty cool. I like these. Synthetic leather, but I mean, it's all good. Let me look at the other one. Here go the other one. We close this up. Put that one right there like that. And then I'll show you these right here. Or this one here. Super dope. And one thing that you would notice that on a lot of shoes, even famous brands, you got a lot more going on the lateral side than the medial side. And not in this case. In this case, you got just as much. Except the Troop, of course. But you still got lettering on this side too. And you got a lot of detail on this side as well. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So these are live. I'm going to have to give y'all on feet on them both. I'll start again with the Cobras and then move on to the Deltas.